Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. So I won't lie, I had a bit of a tough day at work and really just needed nature's healing. So I decided to come out to one of my favorite spots really close to home. I'm going to try my hand at cooking a burger on a stone. Hopefully it works out for me. If not, I did bring backup. I have my fire cooking down below. You can't quite see it yet, but I'm going to head that way. I was just out for a little walk, letting some wood burn down to coals. I'm going to try and heat a rock up and cook a burger on it. Let's see how it works. Hang tight, guys. I just love the ledges around here. It's pretty neat. Hopefully I'm not being too redundant with you guys and taking videos in the same area too often, but it's really close to home and I just love it here. And since nobody's with me, I brought my camera. Kind of makes me feel like you guys are tagging along. So I am going to make my way back to my campfire. See what we have. I'm going to bring some fuel. I'm out here trying to gather some more wood for the fire. I'm going to bring that back and see what we got going on down there. Hopefully I'm working on a bed of coals. Alright, hang tight, guys. Alright, let's see how the fire is doing. Oh my goodness, feel that warmth. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is break up this wood here and get that on the fire. Give it a little bit longer to burn down to some more coals. I'm going to get some hardwood on there. Hopefully that will help. And I'm just going to venture around a little bit while that's cooking down. Show you around a little bit more. And hopefully by then I'll have a nice bed of coals to make some dinner on. Hang tight, guys. Nice and dirty fire. Not trying to make it look pretty. Just functional. Alright, so I'm going to let that burn down a little bit more, guys. Come back in just a few minutes. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty cool with the sun shining over there. The sun is just going down here, and I am just getting started. So, no tripod yet, and still shaky camera syndrome, but hopefully you guys will stick with me. Piece of quartz, some more right here. It's good stuff. And there's another waterfall right here, and then that starts the cascade of waterfalls if you've seen my other videos. And actually, while my fire is burning, maybe I will take a walk and show you that in case you haven't seen it before. So I'm just going to walk up here, down and around, and I'll meet you back just beyond that point. Hang tight, guys. Very, very small walkway. You have to be extremely cautious. And then it just continues to cascade down into the main fall. And if you'd like to see the main fall, one of my videos definitely shows you its beauty. Actually, there are a couple of videos here, so take a peek at the other videos on my channel if you want to see the rest of it, because I am going back to my fire to check to see if I can make dinner. Hang tight, guys. What a perfect end to what was not such a great day at work. Looks like my coals are ready. Let's get this started. Okay. So, I've set my rocks on top of the coals there, and I'm going to just basically sanitize this one first. I'm going to use that one as a spatula. I'm going to flip that and then get it right out of there and let it cool off. Get my burger ready and see what I can't do. Hopefully this works because I'm darn hungry. Alright, so what I did is I ended up taking the stone and lifting it by putting some sticks underneath it so I can feed something into it, so it's always going to have heat. And I could just put it on the bed of coals, but what's going to happen is that area or that spot where the coals are, it's going to eventually cool off or not be as hot as it was. So here I can just keep feeding wood into it, and it's just going to always have heat there. It's not going to dissipate and absorb into the stone and whatnot. So just thought that was kind of a neat trick. And I'm just gonna keep waiting and hopefully this does work. Like I said, I do have a backup if I have to, but I can start to smell it now, so I'm thinking this is gonna work. So this is my very first time doing this, so I have no idea how it's gonna turn out, but I think I got the hang of it. So, let's see what I can do. Probably be about 20 minutes, and I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I got impatient, and you can see I built a fire around the burger. It's starting to cook really nicely. So it should just be a few more minutes, and she'll be ready to go. I was thinking I'd have to settle for a hot dog tonight because I was so hungry I couldn't wait. But that is making it happen. So what I'm going to do, when it's ready, I'm going to go ahead and just brush those sticks aside. And I have a little spatula rock over to my right that I'm going to use. I've already used it to flip it. It worked great. This is going to be so good. I can't wait. Alright guys. Should be ready in just a few minutes. I'm going to sit and eat it and enjoy it. And make the best of this lovely evening down by the river. Hey, thanks guys for joining me. I really appreciate it. You know, even though you're not here with me, just being able to have the camera on and talking kind of gives me the sense that you're here with me, which I like and enjoy. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you will share my videos. And if you haven't already subscribed, so much more to come this year. I'm just getting started. So hang in there, guys. I look forward to it. Hopefully you do too. Have a good evening, everyone. Take care.